Oh, busy morning here at Trott HQ. One bike after another. Next one up is a new client with his Kawasaki Z900. He wants this done for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, which is on Sunday. Hopefully it won't be raining on Sunday. We've got quite a bit of polishing to do on this. Doesn't look like it has been cleaned in some time. So we're going to give it a good old snow foam safe wash, then we'll get it in the studio. Got lots of polishing to do. See if we can do something with these engine covers. They're looking pretty sad for themselves. Do a bit of machine polishing on this tank. Look at the front of that motor. We'll get all that look in its finest. Get all these wheels polished up, get these forks polished, all the usual bits and pieces. Classic bikes do take a lot more effort than something like that, but I love them. Anyways, let's get some snow foam on this, get it washed, and then we'll get it in the studio where we'll crack on with some serious detailing. Okay, cracking on with this Kawasaki Z900. Oh my God, lots and lots of polishing. All these engine cases I've polished up. Every single bit of chrome has been polished. Engine cases have come up nice, all down the front of the exhaust. All those fork legs have been polished. I've just noticed the tank, just about to do some machine polishing on a tank. Looks very dull, got lots of spider webs. So we're gonna do some machine polish on that. I'll probably treat it, oh look at that. I'll probably treat it with a bit of ceramic. We'll put a bit of signature 4K ceramic, making sure to keep that properly protected. Look, it's just looking a bit dull. Oh, it's got some scratches on it. Somebody's wiped that down with something. See all that? Let's see if we can get some gloss back into that. Cut through those scratches. Get it looking like it should. If you look here, see all those spider webs? Let's do some machine polish and get rid of those. The rest of it's come along lovely. 4.5 hours later. There you go, 4 hours and 30 minutes later, this Kawasaki Z900 has been fully trotted. What a transformation on this beast. This had one of our legendary full works packages. Oh, lots of polishing to do on this. All those engine cases have been polished. I just finished doing a 2-3-stage polish on all this bodywork, and then we treated it with the signature quartz ceramic. That's 5 years self-healing ceramic. It was quite heavily scratched. I don't know what it's been cleaned with before, but if you look on this chrome, see all those scratches? The whole bike was covered in those scratches. Somebody has wiped this down with a rag that's had a bit of grit in it. I mirror polished up all those fork legs, all the rims. Every single bit of chrome has been polished once, twice. We use the Auto Smart metal polish, which they've just literally come out with, and that will leave a protective coating as well. Oh my God, what a transformation on this. Every nook and cranny of this has been meticulously cleaned. All those engine cases, all up underneath the seat. Like I said, we then sealed it with the signature quartz ceramic. That's 5 years worth of protection. Old bike like this needs as much protection as possible. All up underneath the seat has been treated. What a lovely example. One of our legendary full works packages. Get your bike booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. I like doing these old bikes, even though they're twice as much work as any of this modern stuff, but the results speak for themselves. Give us a call, 07966 249 963. Like I said, we're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. On to the next.